Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Om Lifestyle and Decor. Hope you enjoy watching my video. Please do show your support by subscribing to my channel and sharing it with your friends and family.
For subscribing to my channel, you just need to click on the subscribe button shown here, and if you click the bell, you will get notification for each of my new video. It is absolutely free and doesn't take more than 12 seconds of your time. Today I will show you how to make some cute decorated flower pots which are really cheap and simple to make. For this one, you need to press the aluminium foil and then again flatten it up. Spread the Fevicol evenly on the entire pot. And now cover it up with the crushed aluminium foil. Paint it with the dark oil paint. Now remove the excess paint with cotton. This will give a nice metallic look to your old pot. Just spread the Fevicol evenly on the pot and put the colorful thermocol balls on it. Your colorful pot is ready to add beauty to your room. Don't toss away your old household items. A handful of accessories available at your home can be nice planters. I had no use of this old helmet, so now my petunias are using it. This old soap case already have holes for drainage, so what else can be the best use of it?
Bye.